Pi Educational Services.
Hi, learners. Welcome again to the fourth example of our topic, changing decimal numbers in order basis to base 10. We've been able to solve two examples. Now, let's take the fourth example. In this example, that's example 3, now the question says, change 123.12 base 4 to base 10. Now, as usual, we're going to label our digits. So we have 123.12. So let's label this as 0, 1, and 2. And this will be -1, and this will be -2. Because we are changing from base 4, we multiply each digit by 4. So the first one will be 1 multiplied by 4. Then because the power of 1 is 2, so square it, plus 2 multiplied by 4, and the power of 1 is 1, so the power of 1, plus 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of 0, plus the next digit is 1 multiplied by 4, and the power of this is -1, plus 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of -2. So we have 1 multiplied by 4 squared, which is 16, plus 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 1 is 4, plus 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0 will give you 1, plus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of -1 will give you 1 out of 4 to the power of 1, plus 2 multiplied by 1 out of 4 squared. So 1 times 16 will give you 16, plus 2 times 4 will give you 8, plus 3 times 1 will give you 3, then plus 1 times 1 out of 4 raised to the power of 1 will give you 1 out of 4 raised to the power of 1, which is 4, plus 2 out of 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 8 plus 3 will give us, what number do we have? When you add 16 plus 8 plus 3, so we have 27. Then plus, so when you add this fraction, the LCM is 16. 16 divided by 4 will give you 4. Then 4 times 1 will be 4. Plus 16 divided by 16 is 1. Then 1 times 2 is 2. And finally, we have 27 plus 6 out of 16. So we have 27 plus, so when you change this to decimal, that will give you 0.375. And we have 27.375 base 10. So which means this number here, 123.12 base 4 will give us 27.375 base 10. So that is it. So in our next class, we're going to see how we can change from base 10 to other bases. Thanks for your time. I am Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. Bye.